On March 28, 2025, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar near the city of Mandalay, causing widespread devastation across the region. The quake occurred at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers, intensifying its destructive impact. In Myanmar, the death toll has surpassed 1,600, with thousands more injured and numerous individuals still missing. The city of Mandalay, located close to the epicenter, experienced significant destruction, including the collapse of buildings and bridges. Rescue operations are ongoing, with emergency teams working tirelessly to locate survivors amidst the rubble. Neighboring countries also felt the earthquake's impact. In Thailand, particularly in Bangkok, tremors led to the collapse of a 33-story building under construction in the Chatuchak district, resulting in at least 10 fatalities and numerous injuries. The city mass transit systems were temporarily suspended as authorities assess infrastructure safety. According to the reports, the international community has responded swiftly to the disaster. The United Nations has allocated $5 million for relief efforts in the affected regions. Countries including China, Russia, and Japan have pledged support, offering rescue teams and humanitarian aid to assist in recovery operations. However, logistical challenges such as damaged airports and infrastructures have complicated the delivery of aid. Moreover, Myanmar's ongoing civil conflict has exacerbated the challenges faced in the aftermath of the earthquake. The nation's infrastructure is already weakened by years of unrest, has further hindered rescue and relief efforts. The military government has issued a rare plea for international assistance to cope with the disaster's magnitude. Seismologists warn of potential aftershocks in the coming days, posing additional risk to already vulnerable structures and complicating rescue operations. Residents in the affected areas are advised to remain cautious and follow guidance from local authorities regarding safety measures. The devastating earthquake in Myanmar has resulted in significant loss of life and property, with its effects felt across Southeast Asia. As rescue and relief efforts continue, the resilience and cooperation of the international community will be crucial in supporting the affected populations and aiding in the region's recovery.